Favorite Amazon cleaning must-haves. A handheld cordless vacuum cleaner is a favorite cleaning product that will make your life easy. It comes with a vacuum, air duster, hand pump, and mini vacuum for crevices. It's USB rechargeable and lightweight. This is one of the best deals on Amazon for cleaning. Another cleaning product that makes your life easier, this Drain Snake cleaning tool. There's a button at the top that you push when you want to use the claw at the bottom and just fish it down the drain for whatever might be down there. Yikes. Ew. If you haven't tried this Amazon cleaning must-have Miss Molly, you are going to be shocked. It instantly removes stains from clothes even hours after the spill. Instantly. This cleaning product is a game changer to make your life easier and spend less time cleaning clothes. It's amazing. Laundry room Amazon favorite, these tidy cups attach to your detergent bottle and they catch all the spills and drips. This is the best deal on Amazon if you have a small laundry room like me. This compact ironing board can easily lay on your washer or dryer, and it has magnets to hold it in place and it folds up for storage. Hands-free cleaning products on Amazon. This soap dispenser is a cleaning must-have. Scrub Daddy sponges are so cute and come in so many colors. How many germs are on a trash can? Ew, ew. Make your life easier with this hands-free trash bin and recycle bin combo. It's an Amazon must-have for a small kitchen. The ultimate hands-free cleaning product on Amazon, the self-cleaning vacuum. It's an Amazon favorite cleaning must-have. It mops and vacuums so you can spend less time cleaning the house and spend less time cleaning the floors. It's like a cleaning robot assistant to make your life easy. It has smart mapping you can program through the app, and it's easy to dump out the dirty water. Ew. These bamboo charcoal air purifying bags are an Amazon favorite. Just put them all around your house to get rid of stinky smells. They eliminate the odor by purifying the air. They're pet friendly, and you can recharge them by putting them in the sun for 1 hour every month. How often do you clean your phone? This cleaning gadget on Amazon is perfect to clean your phone, tablet, or screen. And the other side has a microfiber pad so you can clean fingerprints and smudges. I bet something you didn't know you needed is this compressed air duster. It comes with so many attachments, and if you're like me and, well, do you eat at your desk? Best cleaning product deal on Amazon to clean crumbs or lunch out of your keyboard. Need a kitchen makeover? This is a kitchen must-have. This Stovetop power scrubber will make your kitchen look brand new. Just use my favorite Amazon cleaning product, the pink stuff, and voila! Ooh, voila! Keep your kitchen clean with these crumb catchers. These stove gap covers fit in between your appliances for an easy cleanup. And a top pick on Amazon for cleaning. If you have kids or pets, this Shark VacMop makes it so easy to clean the house and spend less time cleaning the floors. It has headlights so you can see everything, even under the furniture. And it vacuums everything into disposable pads so it's hand-free to throw it away. That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.